teacher. Participated a lot of competitions as a volunteer with ideas about lessons, vocabulary.
One more thing, which is very good, and our teacher had mentioned that AI makes mistakes. So
Sometimes given a test, writing. Then it becomes. Can you pay? Yeah.
So you can use it. So you can use any kind of pictures for your vocabulary too. So, do you see the activities? Questions?
can I take pictures?
Yeah, of course.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
The second question.
I was in activity and my little sister was
And here, this is more student-centered. And the third one is the highly
Calling the multimodal teacher.